In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add staff members to your Shopify store. We'll walk through the process inside the Shopify admin so you can safely give your team the access they need without sharing your own login. Make sure you're already signed into your Shopify admin before we start. First, look toward the bottom left corner of your admin dashboard. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a new page with a panel on the left side that contains different configuration options for your store. In that left panel, look for the option called Users. Click on Users, and you'll be taken to a page that shows everyone who currently has access to your Shopify store. This is where you can review existing staff, adjust access, and add new team members. At the top left of this user list, you'll see a button that says Add Users. Click that to start adding a new staff member. When you do, Shopify will ask you to choose a user type. Here you'll typically see two choices: admin, which can access both the admin and the point of sale system, and point of sale, which can only access the POS app. Choose admin if this person needs to help manage the store backend, such as products, orders, or settings. Choose point of sale if they only need to use your in-person selling system, like in a retail location. After selecting the user type, look under the Users section again and click Add Users. A pop-up window will appear, asking you for the new staff member's email address. Enter a valid work email here, since this is where Shopify will send their invitation and login instructions. When you finish typing in the email, scroll down in the pop-up and click Add Users at the bottom to proceed. Next, you'll be asked about two-step authentication. This is an added security layer on top of the password. You can either enable or disable it for the staff member. Enabling two-step authentication is generally recommended for better security, especially for people with higher level access. Now scroll to the section called Roles. Under the Roles card, click Assign. A drop-down list of role options will appear. Here you can choose a predefined role such as Administrator, POS Administrator, App Developer, Online Store Editor, Customer Support, Merchandiser, Marketer, POS User Administrator, POS Full Permissions, or POS Device Setup. Each role has a set of permissions tailored to common responsibilities, which helps you avoid giving more access than necessary. If none of the default roles match what you need, click Create New Role to define a custom one. You can fine-tune exactly what the staff member is allowed to see and do in your store. Once you've reviewed the email, security settings, and role, look toward the top of the page near the search bar and click Save. Shopify will send an invitation to the email you entered. After the staff member accepts the invite and sets up their login, they'll be able to access your store with the permissions you just configured. And that's how you add staff members to your Shopify store while keeping your business secure and organized.